Skies are sunny and blue, temperatures in the high 80s in Spring, Texas, just north of Houston. Quite the difference there today compared to a week ago when Harvey began dumping some 30 inches of rain there and so many families impacted. Our Ken Molestina, he is live in one Spring neighborhood right now where that water is finally gone, but the cleanup efforts offering some sobering reminders for those folks to know just how bad it is there. Ken?
Yeah, Steve, you talk about it's been a week now, 7 days, and this is about the time following some sort of a catastrophe when you start hearing folks use the terms and start talking about this so-called road to recovery. I want to show you what the road to recovery looks like because it starts right here. Take a look behind me and down this street. It is absolutely heartbreaking to see all of these belongings. These are what were the insides of homes that have now been absolutely gutted. It's hard to look at. It doesn't feel good. It is not pretty for the folks out here, but I'll tell you something, at least in this neighborhood that I'm in right now, North Hills Estate in Spring, the work to get these folks back on their feet is being made a little easier by some goodwill that still continues to pour in here. 7 days now, as we mentioned, since Harvey began dropping torrential and historic downpours into this neighborhood. For many of the folks who live here today was the first opportunity for them to come back here and just to see what's left of their homes. And in many cases, the reality is that there isn't much left. Almost every house here, without exception, suffered some kind of damage, most of it extensive, as you can tell. The scene from the street was this over and over again, piles of water-damaged belongings on front yards. The Sheepdog organization, they're made up of former and current military and first responders. They've been here for the past couple of days. They're helping to completely gut the homes, and they're doing a pretty good job of it. The homes, again, have been ruined. All of the stuff inside have been ruined. They brought in more than 100 volunteers to help this neighborhood manage this unbelievable task of getting back on their feet.
We come in and we try to start planting those seeds of hope, where we start helping one family and then we spread out down the street, neighbor helping neighbor. What you find is that as you start helping one home and people see that help has arrived, that spark comes back.
I'm kind of beyond overwhelmed. I'm like all the way to, I'm just kind of floating along doing what comes next. And then they're a godsend this morning.
Another live look right now at the piles of debris in front of one house. And again, this is what it looks like all the way down the streets, up and down the streets in this entire neighborhood. I can tell you there is a strong stench of even mildew in the air because all of this has been ruined. So that gives you an idea of just how massive this undertaking is. No timeline, Steve, as to when all of this work can be completed. The folks say they're just going to take it one day at a time for now.